Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Hyundai Kona. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level and firm surface like concrete to prevent any rolling or instability. Next, engage the parking brake to secure the vehicle. For an extra layer of safety, place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you intend to lift. This prevents any unexpected movement. Now, let's find the correct jack points on your Hyundai Kona. The primary points are typically the reinforced pinch welds located just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels. These are strong metal seams designed to support the vehicle's weight. Always consult your Kona's owner's manual for precise diagrams and locations, as using incorrect points can cause significant damage to your vehicle's undercarriage or suspension. With your jack points identified, position your floor jack directly underneath one of the designated pinch welds. If using a floor jack, a jack pad can help protect the pinch weld. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and the car lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is completely clear of the ground. Immediately after lifting, place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to your jack, and gently lower the car onto them. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Hyundai Kona. First, slightly raise the vehicle again with your floor jack, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands so you can easily remove them. After the jack stands are clear, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Double-check that all tools are put away and the area is clear. And speaking of great deals, if you love reading anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You'll find a link to it, along with other fantastic offers, in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.